A smart factory. An automated factory. An industry-leading factory. A leading factory that shapes a pioneering brand in display technology. Ranked #1 in global gaming monitor market sales for 6 consecutive years. Produced by a world-leading monitor factory, TPV Technology's production base in Fujian, powered by a smart CNC center, enabling smart connectivity between the factory and equipment, and between equipment and products. Real-time monitoring of production status to ensure quality traceability for every AOC monitor. Asia's largest SMT smart unmanned warehouse, lights-out factory, enabling automated material handling, automated production, delivering efficient, smart production for every AOC monitor. Industry's first FDICT automated plug-in pre-inspection system, smart dimming and color calibration production line, enabling precise testing and quality control, precision tuning. AOC monitors bring every user's color imagination to life. This is where excellence begins. State-of-the-art national laboratory, uncompromising product quality standards. This is where the origin of colors inspires your heart, and where this smart factory delivers its promise of excellence. Defying limits, going beyond. It all begins here. 1 in 4 users worldwide chooses AOC monitors. Part of homes everywhere. Part of your life.